A trap for young players: never do a pour in one go. Timber density is lower than our epoxy and it wants to float. So what we've had to do, we've had to put weight on this fella and we'll let it gel, then we'll be able to finish the pour off. Caught us right out. Yeah, it was actually floating. We've solved that problem now. Just let it gel and then we'll be able to finish off the pour afterwards. Note we use a plastic container. Always use plastic because the epoxy won't stick to plastic. You put a piece of metal in there and you get sidetracked and you don't get back to it before it goes green and it's stuck there. This one's our second go in this container. The first one we didn't realise, but if you don't put a layer down and let it go off pretty well gelled with the timber in there, it won't be glued down, and when you pour the rest in, the timber will want to float to the surface. And we had some fun with the other one, but that'll come out in a how not to do it video. But this was left until it was almost green and then did the rest of the pour, and it's going to look pretty good. I think it's going to look magic.